Hey guys, Mr. Lindy here. Tonight I want to talk about reducing fractions. Another name for it is lowest terms, also known as simplifying. So one of those things you'll see on tests or other times in math in the future, that's what we're going to go over today. Basically is start with one fraction and we're going to make it look like it's smaller, just making the number smaller. So I have 3/9 and I need to make it into a reduced fraction. So there are steps that you have to take. One, list the factors of each number. What that is, factors are the multiplication problems that equal each thing, each number. Next, find the GCF, or the greatest common factor. Find the biggest one that they have in common. And then 3, finally, divide each by the greatest common factor. Okay? So now, I'm going to start off with this one. It's pretty simple. Let's go. The factors of 3 are 1 and 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. Nothing else. 9. 1 and 9 and 3 and 3. Right? So the greatest common factor, the one that they have in common, the biggest one is 3. Okay, so we're going to, there you go. And all that tells me is I need to, whatever I do to the bottom, it's in division this time. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And 3 divided by 3 equals 1. A little ahead of the game. But there you go. So 3/9 reduced or simplified, or in lowest terms, is 1/3. Okay? Let's try another one. Now these ones get a little harder because we have 24 and 36. So now I have to start off by listing the factors. So here's 24. Now all the problems that equal 24. 1 and 24. 2 times what equals 24? 12. 3 times 8. 4 times 6. That's all the factors of 24. Now let's do 36. 1 and 36. 2 and 18. 3 and 12. 4 and 9. 6 and 6. Okay, so if you guys see it there, a lot of numbers in a row. Pick the biggest one that they have in common. If I look down the line, let's see, no 24, no 36, no 18s, but I do see a 12. So what that tells you is you need to divide each number by 12. So 36 divided by 12 is 3. And 24 divided by 12 is 2. There you go. 24 36ths reduced to lowest terms is 2/3. Now, we get to this last problem. You look at it and it's crazy. I do not want to find the factors of 136. Nor do I want to find the factors of 300. We'd be here all night. Okay? So, when I look at them and I notice that they're both what kind of numbers? Are they even or are they odd? They're both even. If a number is even, that means a certain number will definitely go into it, or it can be divided by this number. Does anybody know that number? It's 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both numbers by 2. So I know 300 divided by 2 is 150. 136 divided by 2, or half of 136, is 78. 68? Any help? 68? It's 68. So then I still do not want to do the factors of 68 and 150. So I'm going to divide them by 2 again because they're both even. We can do that. So half of 150 is 75. Half of 68 is 34. Now when I look at them, 34, I can't put 3 into it. I can put 3 into 75. This is it. That's reduced. That's the simplest form, 34 out of 75. And I didn't have to try to find the factors of 136 and 300. So that's reducing fractions. I'm gonna require you to start doing this on all answers now. All answers must be simplified. So good luck, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.